A mechanic I know keeps 3 cans of WD-40 in his toolbox at all times, not for squeaky hinges, for fixes that would otherwise cost his customers $200 to $500 at the shop. That iconic blue can was originally engineered for NASA to protect Atlas missile parts from corrosion. Water Displacement 40th Formula. That's what WD-40 actually stands for. Today, 10 tricks hiding inside that can that mechanics use daily but never share with you. And trick number 1 has saved more paint jobs than any body shop tool ever built. Trick number 10, drying out wet engines. WD-40 stands for Water Displacement 40th Formula. Its primary job isn't lubrication, it's pushing moisture out of places it doesn't belong. If you've driven through a deep puddle or pressure washed your engine bay, and suddenly the car won't start, moisture has gotten into your spark plug wells or ignition connections. Spray WD-40 directly into those electrical connectors. It displaces the water on contact and restores current flow. A car that was dead 30 seconds ago fires right back up. If you live in a humid or coastal area, make this a regular habit. A quick preventive spray keeps your ignition system dry and prevents misfires before they start. Keep a can in the truck. This trick alone has saved more tow truck calls than most people realize. Trick number 9, restoring faded exterior trim. Sun-bleached plastic trim. Those chalky gray bumpers and mirror caps is the fastest way to make any car look 10 years older than it is. Expensive trim restorers exist, but many professional detailers reach for WD-40 first. As a petroleum-based solvent, it penetrates the pores of the plastic and brings the oils back to the surface, restoring that deep factory black finish. Spray onto a microfiber towel, never directly on the car to avoid overspray on paint, and wipe in. It creates a hydrophobic barrier that lasts for weeks before needing a reapplication. A $6 can replacing a $25 trim restore that does exactly the same thing. The math speaks for itself. This is one of those tricks that makes people think you just had the car detailed. Trick number 8, the bird dropping and bug eraser. Bird droppings and dried bugs aren't just ugly, they're highly acidic. Left on your clear coat for more than 48 hours, they will etch permanently into the paint. The mistake most people make is scrubbing hard, which grinds the grit in the debris into the surface like sandpaper, leaving swirl marks that are almost as bad as the original stain. Instead, spray WD-40 on the area. It breaks down the organic bonds of the debris, allowing it to slide off with zero friction and zero damage. Safer than scrubbing, faster than any dedicated bird dropping remover on the market. Trick number 7, loosening rusted-on bolts. Every mechanic has a bolt that feels welded shut by rust. WD-40's low viscosity lets it creep into threads through capillary action, reaching gaps that thicker penetrating oils can't. The pro technique: spray the bolt, wait 10 minutes, then give the bolt head a sharp tap with a hammer. The vibration cracks the rust seal, while the WD-40 provides the slip needed to back it out without snapping it. This works especially well on exhaust bolts, battery clamps, and suspension nuts that haven't moved in years. This method saves stripped heads, broken extractors, and the $150 shop charge for a bolt removal that should take 2 minutes. Trick number 6, removing tar and road grime. Black tar speckles from construction zones are nearly impossible to remove with soap and water. You could scrub for an hour or use WD-40 for 30 seconds. As a solvent, it dissolves road tar on contact, turning hardened film that builds up on wheels and lower door panels. Just wash the area with soapy water afterward to remove the oily residue and protect your clear coat. One can does the job of 3 specialty tar removers at a fraction of the price. Trick number 5, protecting battery terminals. That white crusty buildup on your battery terminals isn't just ugly. It creates electrical resistance that weakens starts and eventually kills the battery. After cleaning terminals with a wire brush, spray a light coat of WD-40 on both posts. Because it's a water displacer and a dielectric, it creates a moisture-proof seal that blocks oxygen and acid fumes from reacting with the metal. a 10-second preventive step that can add years to your battery's life and prevent those frustrating mornings where the car cranks slow and you're not sure if it's going to start. Mechanics do this on every car they service, and now you know why. Trick number 4, the sticker and decal eraser. Old bumper stickers, dealership decals, registration tags. Removing adhesive from glass or paint usually leaves a sticky, lint-covered disaster. WD-40 neutralizes adhesive bonds on contact. Spray the edges of the sticker, wait 2 minutes, and peel the entire thing off in one piece. For leftover residue, a quick wipe with a WD-40 soaked rag clears it instantly without damaging the finish. No razor blades, no goo gone, no scratched paint. I've used this on dealership decals, old registration stickers, and parking pass residue. Works every time without leaving a trace. Trick number 3, preventing mud and snow buildup. This is the trick off-roaders and Rust Belt drivers swear by. Before driving through mud or a snowstorm, spray the inside of your wheel wells with WD-40. It creates a surface so slick that mud and ice can't grip. Instead of building into heavy clumps that rub against tires and trap corrosive salt against your frame, debris slides right out. Keeps the car lighter, protects suspension components, and prevents the kind of hidden rust that eats through wheel wells from the inside out. Take 60 seconds before you leave the driveway. Do it once before winter and you'll never skip it again. Trick number 2, restoring cloudy headlights. Oxidized yellowed headlights aren't just cosmetic. They reduce visibility by up to 50%. Permanent restoration kits require sanding and multiple steps, but WD-40 delivers an instant fix. The oil fills microscopic pits and scratches in the plastic lens that cause light to scatter. By smoothing the surface, it makes the lens transparent again. It's temporary, it will eventually wash off, but for an immediate improvement before a night drive, an inspection, or a quick sale, nothing works faster. 30 seconds and your headlights look 5 years younger. Detailers use this exact trick before handing cars back to consumers. Trick number 1, removing scuff marks from bodywork. Here's the trick I told you to wait for. You come back to your car and find a scuff from another bumper or a shopping cart. Looks like a deep scratch. Before you call a body shop for a $500 repair quote, try WD-40. Apply it to the scuff and buff with a clean microfiber cloth in circular motions. What looks like a scratch is often just paint transfer. The other object's paint rubbed onto yours. The solvent dissolves the foreign paint without touching your original clear coat. 9 out of 10 times, the scratch disappears entirely. That's a $500 body shop visit erased by a $6 can. Next time you find a mark on your car in a parking lot, try this before you panic. This single trick has saved more money than every other one on this list combined. 10 tricks, 1 can, and potentially thousands saved in shop visits and specialty products you never actually needed. Drop a comment. Which trick are you trying first? And if you've got a WD-40 use I didn't cover, share it. The best tips always come from people who've actually tried them in the real world. Subscribe for more. We've got a full lineup coming that covers everything from maintenance secrets to the smartest buys on the market. If you care about your car and your wallet, this channel was built for you.